Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am still working through the cleaning card system, zone cleaning. So we are working on master bedroom. If you are not familiar with cleaning card system, I did talk about it in my first video. I will link the playlist either at the end of the video or in the sky or in the comments below, in the description box below. So for this zone cleaning, just to give you a quick tip, I am not doing deep cleaning or anything. I'm just cleaning areas that I typically don't clean on a weekly basis. And this is not spring cleaning, so it doesn't go into as much detail as spring cleaning. So as you can see, I strip my bed off of the sheets. Now I clean my sheets once a week, so I'm just doing that. But this, for the zone cleaning, I wash my duvet and my decorative pillow covers in this at this time. So approximately every 5 to 6 weeks I wash my duvet. I don't have a cover on it, it's just a whole duvet, and it's pin the butt to wash, so I don't ever look forward to doing it because it doesn't quite fit into my washing machine, so I have to get it wet before I put it in the washing machine, because that's the only way I can get it to fit in. So once I'm done that, I move on to my drawers, and I just straighten things out and dust underneath the drawers, and I do this for all of them. So I'm going to stop talking now and kind of just watch me clean. I also clean my vanity, throw out any used old makeup if there is any, and for my master closet I don't actually have that much to do because it stayed pretty clean, and we have recently returned from vacation, so a lot of the stuff I took with me, so I had folded it back in, so it doesn't need a lot of folding. I am just adding a basket in my master closet for things that I will be donating, because usually in fall we'll go through all of our clothing again, and if there's anything that needs to be donated or gotten rid of, it will go into that basket. So I hope that you find this video motivating, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Happy cleaning, and thanks so much for watching.
Let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dancing to your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.